morning, guys. What's up? As you can see, I'm staying at the super luxurious Totlagala Villa in Haputale, in the hills, in the remote hills of Sri Lanka. And today, my friend Sampath, who works here, has decided to take me on a 1 hour, 4 kilometer trek around the tea gardens and in the hills in the area. It's about 11 in the morning. Ideally, I would do a trek really early in the morning or late afternoon in the evening time, but it's predicted to rain very heavily today, so I've decided to do it at 11 in the blazing heat, which means I've got lots of sunscreen on. So let's do this. Let's go for a nice walk. This is what I'm wearing. I've got my joggers on, comfy sneakers. It's time to do this. Follow me. So today I am going on my little trek with Sampath. Sampath, say hi to everyone on YouTube. Sampath, don't feel shy on the camera. As you can see, the weather is beautiful today. That's the house in the background, and we are going on a nice little walk. I'm really looking forward to that. Sampath's taking me. We've got a little umbrella just in case. I've got nice comfy sneakers and joggers. Let's do it. So starting this nice little trek today, I've decided to vlog this trek on my GoPro. So I've got my GoPro in my hand and the weather is just perfect. We've left the bungalow behind and we are on this nice little track. The weather is sunny but not like burning hot, so I'm really happy. You can see the tea plantations in the distance. That is a Haputale town up there.
No, this is not Haputale. This is Dambetenne.
Dambetenne, okay. You can see the tea plantations there. It's just spectacular. You know, one thing I've noticed, guys, when I've been traveling to Sri Lanka is that the light is just amazing. I mean, I don't know what it is or whether it's like the location, geographical location, but the light is so flattering and nice whenever you're taking vlogs and videos and everything. Just to show you the landscape in the distance. It's unreal, by the way. Guys, if you're coming on this trek, make sure you have super comfortable shoes. I've got these Reeboks, which are okay, they're comfortable, but I've got the more lifestyle series because these are what I'm wearing in to work every day. I didn't carry my hardcore running or trekking shoes, and he's doing it in chappals. Okay, now we are walking through a bit of a muddy patch. We are really in the thick of the, I wouldn't say jungle, but in the bush. I'm quite enjoying this little trek in the morning. Thank God the sun is not too harsh. But guys, remember always when you're out in the day, sunscreen. Oops! Wow, there's like a waterfall there. I can hear it. Oh my God, look! It's a waterfall. Guys, just look at this setting and there's like a natural waterfall there. Wow, I should not lose my balance. Okay, let's go. Guys, look at the waterfall behind me. The tea gardens behind me. Like every step of the way is like a content creator's dream. I mean, if you want to come here to make content, you'd literally be making videos like every corner. So nice. Oh my God, going uphill but so beautiful. Good. Working off that heavy breakfast that Claire and Deepika have given me. Toast and croissant and everything. In the distance you can see the Yala National Park and the coast as well. I have to say that I'm really enjoying this walk, guys. You know how much I love walking. Just yesterday If you had seen this place, it was dark and rainy and like gloomy. I would not have been able to do this walk. I think Haputale is being a complete show off this morning. It's so hot. Like, you know, when you stand in the shade, it's really cool. There's this cool mountain breeze, but like the sun is really burning down right now because there's almost no clouds. But there's some really nice, pretty clouds. Guys, don't get me wrong. I'm not unfit. I do work out regularly and I do have the stamina to do this. It's just that I'm not used to taking these treks at 12 in the afternoon. Okay, so we're finally out of the tea gardens and the wilderness, and now we are coming onto the main road. Tiny little village called Totlagala. I love these little waterfalls all over. Just looking at them, you feel so cool. Nice. Here's the road. Let me show you. So I'm finally at the end of my walk. I'm coming back to the villa. I would like to thank this awesome guy Sampath for showing me around on this beautiful walk. Thank you very much, Sampath. He's the guy you saw on my Instagram in that awesome white shirt and sarong serving me coffee, the best coffee. Thank you very much, Sampath. Have a lovely day. I'm going to go in and chill out. Thank you. And of course, guys, if you've liked this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Leave me a comment and tell me what you think. I'd love to hear from you. If you need any Sri Lanka tips and recommendations, leave me a comment and I will answer you. If you have any tips and recommendations, of course, leave me a comment. In the meanwhile, I'd love to hear from you. See you soon.